How's it going? Welcome back. Today's another good day. I'm finally gonna take the Evo, which I really don't speak about much, but I'm gonna take the Evo and get the motor replaced. So we're gonna head over to RST Motorsports, which I heard they have one of the fastest Evos in Killeen. So they're gonna go, we're gonna swap out the motor. It's already been bought. It came in, they inspected, it's really good. But now I gotta load the Evo up. I'm not gonna drive it over there and to this U-Haul. Now we don't have to push onto the trailer. You see the Evo's all loaded up on the U-Haul truck. I only have it for about an hour, so I'm kind of like rushing. Don't mean to like not speak to the camera that much, but I got about an hour, so I'm about to already head out and head to RST Motorsports and drop the Evo off. So hopefully by the end of this week, right here at RST Motorsports, over that way, they already got a nice ass Evo right there. But hopefully mine run as good as theirs. Alrighty, so I'm not sure where we left off, but the Evo is definitely back out the shop. Now you can come in. This is my dad here, and fast forward and everything, Evo got out the shop. I drove from Texas to California, which is where I'm at now. I'm here with my dad. Dad, say what's up to the vlog.
What's up, y'all?
We're gonna work on his 74 Nova. Right now in Sacramento, there's a place called Tognotti's, and we're gonna go get some parts from there. So let's come along for the ride. I probably never told you guys what the Evo went to the shop for. It actually got a new motor, and that whole time I never filmed. I was getting ready to move Texas to Washington. So this is my halfway point because I'm from California. So I'm stopping here for a week, and we'll be driving up to Washington Friday. We are here at the world famous Tognotti's, and this is what we all picked up just now. So we got the cap and rotor, and this is the coil that goes inside of it?
Yes.
And then inside here is the new carburetor. So, Pops, you wanna explain what happened to your Nova?
Man, dieseled on me real bad.
We're gonna head to the house right now, take his old carburetor off, put this new one on, put some new fuel in there, and get it started. Once it's started, he has a flat tire, get the tire changed out, and hopefully he should be on the road today. We'll see. Stay tuned. Here's the 383 stroker that dieseled on him. So right now, we're gonna get in here, take these bolts off and brackets and stuff, and get this one out of here. Replace this distributor cap back there, and we already got the new battery. So hopefully we'll get it up and running. Here's the new one with the gasket on it. I'm gonna put some of this sealant that's fuel graded, put some new lines after we clean this up, and it should be able to go in there. So it is towards the evening time, and update. Everything on the new carburetor is installed along with the old air filter, but his transmission kickdown cable right here came loose. So I gotta find out where this is at. I don't know if it'll start just with the throttle cable, but definitely need to get this car turned around. My brother, my dad, and I are gonna push this car. You don't think it's heavy?
It might be. Hey, it's gonna be better when it got a tire on it.
Yeah. But I'm gonna put this camera right here on the truck and film it. Yeah, it worked. Like a snails. Dang, Kev, you tired?
Heck no, I ain't tired.
Oh, damn, I'm tired, man. I just sat inside. Alright. You look out of breath, and I'm sweaty, though. So I think only thing that's left for this car now, that it has a tire and stuff on it, is the transmission kickdown, the distributor cap, also the rotor that goes inside of it. I think that's what it's called, or the coil. Plugs, wires, which we have everything. It's just, that would be the end for today, and we're wrapping it up, just parking it, throw the cover back on it. Hopefully we start up tomorrow. Midway through day number 2, carburetor is completely on. We just put down the new kickdown cable for the transmission right here. We do have a lot of slack, but everything's connected. We're going to try to get some fuel inside the carburetor and get. Try now. Running. How does it feel to have it running?
Feels great.
Show you guys an overview of what his Nova actually looks like. Step back and show you the whole thing. We gotta tune the carburetor because it just came like this, but we'll tune it soon. Gotta cut this back. It's all extra wire. That's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was me and my pops working on his 74 Nova. Basically what we did was we replaced the carburetor, we replaced the fuel, the tire, the fuel pump, fuel filter, his kickdown switch for the transmission. Yep, the throttle cable. We replaced all that, and the car's been sitting for what, 3 years?
Pretty much.
Now it's running. So if you guys like this video, please give it a like, thumbs up, and subscribe. To Levon, my pops, and we're out of here.
Peace.